welcome back to my channel, Socialites. So today I'm editing my friend's photo. Now bear in mind I'm not a pro at editing photos, but you know we're gonna wing it as we go along. So I'm going to leave this area open. So window, I'm gonna leave this area open so I can, leave the screen record right here. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into it. Start with the Me Too app. I've been using Me Too for like 2 years now. So I'm going to start with my friend Chloe. So beautify, reshape, just for editing purposes. These are the lips, so I want to, reshape her Cupid's bow. Enhancement on the lips, so like a little Kylie Jenner moment. Okay, I think that's perfect. Now the smile, let's make her smile a little bit more. Okay, that's perfect. Okay, let's go over to the nose. Let's size it down a little bit. Okay. Perfect. Eyebrows. Should I? Okay. Let's slant the eyebrows a little bit. Okay, I think that's good. Now let's use the acne features, remove the acne and the blemishes and all of that on your faces. So when you click auto, it removes all the spots automatically. So, and then if you still want to, if you have any missed areas that the acne, well, my thing is blowing. But you can use the firm option in case you miss any spots with the acne option. So like that. Perfect. So let's smooth the picture a little bit. Okay, that's perfect. Now makeup. Let's give her some red lip gloss, like should we? Some red lipstick. Okay, that's perfect. Now the eyebrows. Tweak the eyes a little bit. Now give her the contour. Kylie Jenner who? Okay, that's perfect. Now I'm going to save this, and the other app I always use is Prequel. So you can resize the photo to the Instagram sizes. So let's do that. Perfect. Now let's play around with the filters and see, the results, what kind of results we get. Golden hour is nice. I think this guy is nice too. I like marine. Focus. Nah. Teal. I think teal is a nice one. Let's try Miami. Ooh, I love Miami. Let's try dust. I think I'm gonna go back with the Miami. I like the Miami. So we're gonna save that. Let's see if I have any more options. Ooh, this one is dope. I kinda like this one. Should I? So let's save that also. And voila, that's it. So who's next? Okay, let's do my friend Leo. Like, Leo is one of my friends. He doesn't edit his pictures like not even 1%. So you know, we're gonna make a little bit of changes just because he doesn't edit his pictures. So reshape. Let's go with the lips. A little more smile for the ladies. That's perfect. And we're gonna shrink the nose a little bit more. Perfect. And I'm going to leave their Instagram links and YouTube links in the description down below. Okay, eyebrows, face, I think that's perfect. Now let's go in acne. Perfect. And let's go over the face one more time with firm. Okay, I think that's good. And because I want to zoom out of the picture of the face, because when I want I'm going to smooth the picture, so I don't want the face to only be smooth, I want the whole pic to be smooth. So yeah, okay, that's perfect. Let's go back and let's zoom again. We're gonna do makeup, lip gloss, just a touch of color, just a pop of color in the lips, the brows. Don't mind my hair, guys, it's a little bit wet because I just came out the shower. So the eyes, okay, I think that's good. Let's do some contour. Okay, I think that's perfect. I guess that's it. So let's let's head over to our other app, Prequel. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. So save. And remember, guys, we're just winging it. We're winging this editing. So you know, I didn't have anything planned as like, you know, what I wanted to edit, you know, like a specific edit. So yeah, again, you can resize it to the Instagram ratio format. So let's see what kind of filter. I saw one earlier when I was using Chloe's filter. Let me see if I can find it. I think this is the one, so we can save that. Perfect. And let's do one more. Oh, this is a good one also. This loading is killing me. Now, I usually edit my photos also. Like, some people would be lying if they say they didn't edit their photos. But yeah, I think this one is also good. But let's see what other options are there. Let's try Chicago. Ah, paper. Split. Onyx. So I think we can stick. I already saved the dust, so let me just try another photo. Let me try Miami. I think Miami is also a good one, so let me save that. Okay, perfect. Okay, so who is our next victim? uh, let's see. Anna. So let's go back and reshape. Nose. Expand it a little bit, shrink it a little bit. Perfect. Let's give her some lips. Let's give her a cupid bow. Like, let's enhance her cupid bow also. That's not working. Okay, I think the lips. Yes. Kylie Jenner. Who? Eyebrows. Let's slant it a little bit. Let's give her a little. Perfect. Eyes. Let's slant the eyes also, give her a little Chinese look, as Jamaicans would say, blackanese. Okay, so that's perfect. So let's go in acne, auto. That's perfect. So let's smooth it also. Little bit. Okay, perfect. Now gonna go to makeup. Let's give her some red lipstick. What is this? Burgundy? Burgundy red. I think I'm colorblind. Okay, perfect. Her brows, her eyebrows, the eyes. A little bit. Contour. Okay, I think that's just about it. Perfect. Now we're gonna head over to pre-crawl, Again, you can resize it to the Instagram ratio. Perfect. Let's start with the green, I guess. Disco. Wow, I love disco. I think I love this one. This one is good. Marine is also good. Okay, let's save it. Let's save disco and let's do one more edit. Okay, I think I can edit that again. I think I messed up there. Okay, let's crop it to the Instagram ratio, to the Instagram size. Disco, I think Disco is a good one. Awesome. Miami filter. Oh damn. Miami is really good. Long Island. Okay, San Francisco is a good one also. So let me do the San Francisco. Perfect. Awesome. Now let me save that. San Francisco and Disco. San Francisco and Disco. Okay, save. So that's it for the video, socialites. I'm going to leave a before and after comparison. So you guys decide on how well I did at editing my friend's photo. And yeah, if you have any editing tips and tricks, let me know in the comments down below. And I'll leave their YouTube and Instagram links in the description down below. But yeah, this is part 1 of the video. I'm gonna definitely do a part 2. So yeah, don't forget to socialize. Bye.